In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do your crypto taxes with TurboTax. Before we jump in, open your TurboTax online return for the current tax year and make sure you can access your crypto exchange account. Crypto is treated like an investment for tax purposes, so we'll use TurboTax's investments workflow to import your activity and calculate gains and losses for you. Start by moving your mouse over the income section in TurboTax. On a computer, you'll find it in the top or left navigation. On a phone or tablet, expand the menu first. Hovering here reveals the categories you'll use to report different types of income. Choose investments and savings. This is the right place for stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. Even if you didn't receive a tax form from an exchange, this area lets you import transactions so TurboTax can do the math on proceeds, cost basis, and holding periods. When TurboTax asks whether you had investment income, click Yes. That tells the software to open the guided import so you don't have to type each trade manually. From the list of institutions, select Coinbase. You'll see several brokerages and exchanges. Picking Coinbase launches a secure connection built specifically for that platform. If you use additional exchanges or wallets, you can connect them later using the same path, but we'll keep the focus on Coinbase for now. Next, connect your accounts. TurboTax will prompt you to sign in securely and, if needed, complete two-factor authentication. You're granting read-only access, so TurboTax can pull in your buys, sells, swaps, and other taxable events. Confirm the connection is set to the correct tax year and approve. After a short sync, your transactions will import, and TurboTax will categorize each one as short-term or long-term and map the results to Form 8949 and Schedule D behind the scenes. Take a moment to review what was imported. Transfers between your own wallets shouldn't be taxed, so make sure they aren't marked as sales. Trading fees are typically included in your cost basis and proceeds. Scan a few sample trades to confirm they look right. If you received a consolidated tax statement from Coinbase, the totals in TurboTax should generally align. Small differences can occur due to rounding or timing, so focus on matching the big picture. If something seems off, use the on-screen edit tools to adjust categories or refresh the import. If nothing appears, double-check that you selected the correct exchange and that the chosen year actually has activity. And that's the workflow. You hovered on income, chose investments and savings, confirmed yes, selected Coinbase, and connected your accounts. Save your progress, continue through TurboTax's review, and you'll be ready to file with your crypto activity accurately reflected.